video VBA for beginners. Already I have given 2 videos, which is mainly on introduction about that VBA and some examples. Overall 25 example I committed in that first set of 5 examples and second set of 5 examples already covered in previous videos. And this is the video in which I will be covering each one example, covering overall 15 set of examples. That means 15 videos will be there. And with that previous 2 videos, it is going to be total 25 examples for a beginner for VBA. Okay. So now, as we have completed 10 examples, now through this chat GPT, I am sharing this example number 11. Show today's date. So this is the VBA code which I am copying and pasting it in this module 2. So this particular area, this sub and end sub, between that we have a message box which is going to display date. So what date it is going to display? Well, shall we see this? Run. So it is displaying this 1/10/2026. In that 26 is for YY format. So this means DD/MM/YY format. This is showing this. In whichever is the active Excel workbook and active sheet on there. Actually, I wanted to show this in this particular workbook, which we have already seen this 10 examples on this, which is having this 4 sheets, and the file name is here is my VBA file 1. Okay, I'm repeating my VBA file 1. This is the workbook in which we have created 4 sheets, and now in this only I want the code to execute. So again, I'm pressing this. So now it is displaying on the active workbook. Within that active worksheet is sheet 4. Within that it is showing the message. Okay. So with this, if you like this video, please put it in your comment section. And if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel DPAB, please subscribe. Press bell icon button so that you will be continuously getting the notification about the videos, whatever I'm posting on this. And share this to your friends also. Thank you. Take care. Bye.